Now that you've set up your extended profile, the next step is to add programs to your application. It's important to note that you do have to add at least one program in order to be able to continue on from here. So there are a lot of different ways that you can search for the program or the major that you're looking for at a specific CSU campus. Now, one thing I just want to point out, the default is to start here with Bakersfield because they're the first one in the alphabet of all the campuses. So unless you are planning to apply to Bakersfield, you do need to make sure to update the search. So you could do this a few different ways. You can search by the major. So if you know you want to see which campuses offer a business major, you can search this way, and you'll notice as I keep scrolling down, the different headings are showing me which universities have programs you can apply to. So that's one way of searching. The other way is to search directly for the university you want to apply to. So make sure you spell it out. And the third option is you can use the filters. So if you click on filters, you can search by campus that way. So whichever option works for you, use that. But what I really want to point out here is that some of the CSU campuses do have programs that are listed under extension. And these programs are different than the ones you'll find kind of traditionally through the university. The requirements can be different. The deadlines, as you can see, can be different. And typically the fees associated with them are different. So unless you know that you are applying to an extension program, you want to keep scrolling down until you see the undergraduate heading, and then you know that these are kind of the more traditional programs. So I want to scroll down and select my program. So here I'm going to select this program, which is different than what I had. So let's do this. Um, and you can see that it's marked with the checkbox. If you ever need to remove it, you can click out. If you need to change it, you can select another option. You can kind of play around with this in this way. Now, something I just want to point out is this pop-up that came up. Now, I put in my extended profile that I am earning the associate degree for transfer, the ADT, in business. If I select a program that is not deemed similar at the CSU that I'm applying to, and the major I'm applying to, then I do not receive the benefits of pursuing the associate degree. So I can absolutely still apply. I just want to click yes in order to do that. But it's just warning me that, again, I will not get the benefits if I do pursue that major. So that's all that that warning means. But once I've done that, I'm actually just going to pick a program that does align. I'm going to continue. Now, if you want to add multiple programs, you can go in and do that as well at one time, however you choose to do it. And again, if you see that pop up, that's what that means. Okay, and then we'll continue. And then it will give you an overview or a snapshot of the programs that you've selected. If you want to add more, you can click here to go back, or you can continue to my application because you'll be able to add additional programs from there as well. And next, we're taken to our dashboard.